Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Soon be turning red now. Raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling, but I am free. Nothing's worrying me. But I am free. Nothing's worrying me.
I'm the seed that mom and pops planted. No wonder it rains. Seeds need water to grow and to be met by the sunshine peeking through my window. The rain I speak of is a state of mind that falls in the form of trials and tribulations. If you are not tuned in to happiness, change the station.